All right, the next way agencies make money is actually one that you make incremental money, but it's huge value. So it's coverage improvements. And so what we like to say is that, some of those little things can add up, but things like towing and rental car reimbursement and water sewer backup and endorsements and commercial lines, all those things add up when we're proactively talking to clients about it. Now you might be saying, adding on a water sewer backup isn't going to keep the lights on. I get that. But what it is going to do is have a customer that values you. So it does improve your retention and it does improve your premium. But all too often, again, we just like cross-selling, we go into transaction mode. We transact. Client calls in, I do what the client asks. I don't look at their coverages, even if they're below agency standard. So what ends up happening is a client who's below agency standard, maybe no fault of their own, they didn't realize, and no one's talked to them about it. They get into an accident, now they're mad. They leave an online Google review that's not so flattering. Guess what that does? That holds your profitability back. That holds down your ability to grow. So why I love coverage improvement so much is it's education to the client as much as it is making a little extra revenue. But that little extra revenue has a lot of goodwill attached to it. So I don't want you to think that it's a waste. So my big question to you is, you got to grade yourself now. Pull out that electronic notepad. Where are we at with coverage increases? Does your team ask? Do you have a way to track it in the management system? Most agencies don't, but our agencies do. And then 3, what would we say if they said no? Do we have it all scripted out? If somebody doesn't want to change their auto liability limits to our agency standard, is it scripted out, practiced, and rehearsed? The answer to that's no. On that scale of 1 to 5 of you grading yourself on this, you know what you got to give yourself. Don't be shy. You know what you have to do. We will see you tomorrow. We're going to do our mashup of all of these so you can listen to them all as one. But I think it's time to be honest about the ways agencies make money. Now, to foreshadow to next week, we have 4 additional ways to make money. You might be thinking, what else is there, Kelly? I got 4 more ways. I'll see you then. Hey everyone, it's Kelly Donahue-Pirro here. And just want to take a quick break after a 3-minute video to let you know, if you're a team member and you're watching these videos, we applaud you. But did you also know that on our website, we have access to over 700 blogs? That's content, that is tips, tricks, things to make your jobs easier. All you have to go is go to our website, find the blog link, and then there's a search bar. So whether it's how to deal with an upset customer, how to cross-sell, how to better manage your time, you will find tons and tons of resources there. So I encourage you, if not applaud you, for heading over there and becoming the best you possible. I've said it many times, one of my core values and principles in life is to try to hit my potential. And what I want to do is help all of you out there do the same. The blogs are a free resource for you to start using. Pass them around to other team members, in fact. But take a moment and go ahead and look for those blogs. Also, did you know we have a ridiculously amazing insurance agent podcast? Maybe you want to listen to these videos on your way into work. And by the way, there's no sponsors on the podcast, so you're not going to get hit up with ads. We do it all ourselves because we want to help empower team members as much as possible. We know that every agency is different, but as much as we can give back to the insurance community, we want to. So do 2 favors for me. Go to our website and check out the blogs and find a topic that you're interested in and read away. Then go to Apple Podcasts or wherever you get your podcasts and subscribe to the Ridiculously Amazing Insurance Podcast. It's just going to help you be the best insurance agent you can be. Thanks so much for watching our videos. We'll see you soon.